Hey, it's your boy Okina today, and we're gonna be doing a quick one. I got this shirt at Walmart, and it's the perfect size for me. The only problem is it's white, but I need this shirt. It's referencing some noodles. You know I love some of those, and we're gonna be seeing if we can go ahead and dye this black. Thanks for sticking through the crappy intro. Like I said before, we're going to be trying to dye this shirt. I went ahead and saw this dye, and wow, they put it in a separate bag. I saw this dye at the Walmart. It's called RIT. I've used it before, but not with great success. I just read the directions down the back, and it says to put it in super hot water while you're doing it. And I probably didn't use the right ratio, so we're going to give it another try today. Apparently, it's super hard to go from white to black, but once you go black, you don't ever go back. So let's give it a try. It says super hot water, so we're gonna go ahead and turn on the hot water. Weirdly enough, my water gets to almost boiling temperature for some reason, but I guess that works out in this case. So we're just gonna let it get super hot. I might put at least one pot of boiling water into there. I'd say that's pretty hot. And don't get me mistaken, it's half lukewarm water, half boiled water. It doesn't say to put it in the hottest clothing safe temperature. I don't know what that is, but I don't want to overdo it. So we're now going to go ahead and put half this bottle. They say half of the bottle for every 3 gallons if it's something like a light fabric, but it's better to overdo it than underdo it, because this is not 3 gallons worth of water. So I just read this right now. It says to add, for like best result, add like 1 cup of, like, I guess fabric cleaner, 1 tablespoon of liquid dish detergent. So screw it, some of this, that seems like, and then 1 whole cup of salt. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. Well, I'll tell you what, I don't got 1 cup of salt, but I do got, oh no, looks like I'm not getting the best result. That is good as getting. Alright, it says to try to unfold it. Now that it's in here, try to get it as flat as possible. And then you'll let it sit for about 30 minutes. Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit for an hour, since it is a white shirt. And we'll see where we're at from there. Other than that, if this doesn't work out, I might go get some salt and see if it does a better product like that. But I hardly have any dye left. I went a little bit overboard with it. But I'm sure this will work. We'll wait for it to cool down. And I'll see you in an hour. Well, there we have it. I ended up falling asleep while I was dyeing this, but I'm up now. Now it says to go ahead and drain it out and rinse it off with cold water until you see no more dye running out. We're going to go and toss it into the dryer with a towel. Well, not a new one. Go ahead and use an old towel and let it dry. Then you should be good after that. Go ahead and repeat the process if the color isn't the way you want it. Oh no! The fucking plug stuck in there, dude. Ah! Damn plug fell off. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Well, I don't know why they just didn't make it black in the first place, because that looks pretty dang good. Well, there you go. It's finished drying, and this is how it came out. It's pretty black, but there is a solution that you can use to keep the black in there even more. As you can see right here, here's another shirt that I got from Walmart, and you can see the difference in blacks. This one is black, but it is a lighter color. It did start off with white, so you might want to try that again with that Siller solution. It's by the same brand. You'll go ahead and see something on the bottle that says Siller. I don't know. Go check it out. But other than that, I would say this is pretty successful. Again, it's your boy Okina. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.